Hey, I signed up for this workshop, and my reason for doing that was because I have always been curious about how to use LinkedIn for lead generation, and that has been something that I've been looking at recently as well. And it piqued my interest, and I thought, okay, this might be interesting to attend this workshop. I was really excited going in, and but I was a little apprehensive because a lot of people say a lot of things, but they don't deliver. But boy, did these people over deliver. It was awesome. I had my mind blown. They spent 6 absolutely value packed hours on how to generate free leads and then how to nurture them and then ultimately bring them on board as paying clients. It was absolutely gold. I must say that I highly, highly, highly recommend that you attend this, the Evolve and Sell workshop. It is highly valuable, and I'm very sure you'll walk away feeling just the way I feel. Okay, thank you.